Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to change line weight or line thickness in AutoCAD. To change the line type, go to this drop-down menu in the Properties panel of Home tab. And from the list here, you can select the thickness of the line that you want. So I'll go with this 0.70 millimeter. Let's try to create some objects. So I have created this rectangle and I've selected the line weight as 0.70 millimeter, but I cannot see that line weight or line thickness in the drawing area. To make the line thickness visible in the drawing area, go to the status bar. In the status bar, you have an option of line weight. Click this option and you will get the line weight option here in the status bar. So if you click on this line weight display option, you'll see that the line thickness is now visible in the drawing area. If you don't want to see the drawing thickness, you can uncheck this line weight display option here. You can also turn on or turn off the line weight display by using the command LW display, and from here you can either turn it on or you can turn it off. So I'm going to turn it on, press enter, and you can see that the line thickness is now visible on the screen. You can also change the line weight by using the command line weight, or you can use its alias LW. Press enter and you will get this dialog box. From the list here you can change the line thickness, and if you want these weights to be displayed in inches, you can change the unit to inches. So you can see that the units have been changed from millimeter to inches. So you can either keep the units in millimeters or you can change them to inches. You can also set the default value of line weight. By default, AutoCAD has this value equal to 0.25 millimeters. So all the lines that you create in AutoCAD have 0.25 millimeter thickness. If you want to change that value to some other value, you can change that from here. I'm not going to change the default value. I'm going to keep it as it is. And from here, you can select whether you want the line weight to be displayed on the screen or you don't want it to be displayed. So I'm going to uncheck this and I'm going to select the line weight as 1.58 and click OK. Let's create another object. The thickness of this circle is 1.58 millimeter as we selected, but because we have turned off the display of line weight, we cannot see that on the screen. If you want to see the thickness, you can click on this icon here in the status bar, or you can use the command LW display and you can turn it on. Press enter and now you can see the line weight of both the objects.